So I just recently got sent out this over the toilet cabinet, and today I'm going to show you exactly how it went together and how I got it over the toilet. I'm also going to go over just any other information you might want to know about this product. With that being said, let's go ahead, go back in time and start putting this together. So here's everything that you guys are going to get inside of the box. We have all of our panels for the actual cabinet. We have this box with all of our hardware. We have a user guide, and the user guide looks pretty simple and easy to follow. We have all of the metal braces. So I'm going to try to assemble as much of this as possible inside of the bedroom before we take it to the bathroom. When we take it to the bathroom, we will have to install one of these bars behind the actual toilet. So let's go ahead and start assembling. So when it came to the assembly, it was actually pretty easy. The instructions made a lot of sense, and we also got extra bolts for everything. So everything went together in about 45 minutes. I was able to watch a show and it was easy enough. So anyways, let's get back to the main video. All right, so we just got this all assembled. Let's go ahead and put this in our bathroom and I'll show you exactly how that works. Basically, we're gonna use this metal bar down here and we're gonna attach it down there with two of their bolts. All right, and we just got this in the bathroom and it fits perfectly. We have plenty of space above the toilet. So if you guys have a toilet like mine where the button's actually on the top, no worries there. It was really easy to just slide this over the toilet as well. And when it's all put together, it's almost 6 foot tall. So pretty tall actually. And you guys can mount it to the actual wall. So if there's an earthquake or something like that, it's not going to fall over and hit somebody. But plenty of storage. We have all 4 boxes here for maybe his and hers. We have plenty of room down here for things like wet wipes, Febreze, all of the normal bathroom essentials. And the cabinet doors are fully adjustable, so you guys can calibrate them and adjust them to make sure that they sit just the right way and that they're even. We also have plenty of storage up top, and these handles are really cool. I also like the design on the actual cabinet door, and I like that it's just metal on the bottom. It's easier to clean that way. So overall, this is a really nice over the toilet cabinet. It was really easy to set up, and we also didn't have to mount something up on the wall. We were able to just build a base, which is a lot easier. So anyways, that's it for my super quick review and install of this toilet cabinet.